Hi everyone, this is the tutorial for CS 1000 at the University of Guelph, part 2 for JavaScript, which is assignment 5B. If you have watched another video I posted earlier, this video is just add-on for that. And if you are struggling to add other functions for square root, pi, exponential, tangent, cosine, whatsoever. So those functions you need to still define. If you're struggling with those, this tutorial should be able to help you. So to pick up what we left before, we defined function 1, which is sine function. We defined function 7, which is the factorial function. And there's another 6 functions we still need to define. As I said, so right now, if you click cos tangent, it doesn't work. As I said, it's very similar to sine function. You put in, we already have it in function 1, so I'm just going to copy. And so function 2, function 3, so make sure, so cosine is function 2, tangent is function 3. Okay, so function 2 is our cosine. So make it nicer. So I just changed this sine to cosine. That's all. So I said it's 99% similar. So and function, what did I do? Yep. So function 3 is tangent, right? So Control plus C. Let's refresh and see if it's working. Yep. So it is working. So our sine, cosine, tangent is all working, except but our others still doesn't work. So function 4. Let's see what's our function 4. Our function 4 is square root. Square root is similar too. So there's, I said you can go to W3C school to figure it out. You just change this. There is also a math function built in Java to do it. So I just use sqrt. Control plus C. Sorry, Control plus S and refresh. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 2 is 1.41. And function 5 is squared. So this one is a little bit tricky. To save us some time, I'm not going to trick you anything. I'm just going to do it here. So what you need to do is you copy the entire thing here, copy it down, make it make it everything like that, except the third line. You're going to delete this one, and so square. Function 5 is squared. Squared is actually two numbers times together. So this value is going to get the value you input. So it's going to time whatever number you input and equal to exact the same value. So I'm going to copy this line to here. So this third line under function 5 is the only one you need to change to make a squared function. Let's see. Save and refresh. Square 8 is 64. Okay. Function 6, I think it should be pi. Just make sure. So function 6 is pi. So this one, pi is not actually pi is actually not a function. So when you hit a pi here, we are expecting to have the 3.14 whatsoever to display as a number. So pi is a constant. It's not a function, but still it's similar. So let's copy and paste from top down. So I copied from function 4 because function 5 it's going to be different. So I'll copy it from function 4. So because this is not an equation, it's a constant. So I'm going to delete this line. And the last line, I'm just going to define it's not an equation. Okay, so but there is also a built-in pi function for JavaScript. Just put in pi, capital letters. It's case sensitive. Make sure you put capital letters. All right, so Control plus S and refresh and pi 3.14159.2, and so this is pi, and last one we have already function 7, which is factorial. Let's see what's factorial of that. Last one is exponential, and exponential the same. It has built-in math equation for that in Java. So I'm going to copy it from here. I copied from function 4, so just as you know. Function 8 and use exp and save your work. And refresh. And exp means e to the power of what number you enter. Say e to the power of 2, so 2, and which is 3.7.38. To check what actually the e does. So e to the power of 1, which is e. Let's see, 2.17182. Yeah, so that's our natural log. So I think after you watching all my videos, this one including the one before, you should be able to submit your file, and this is all you need to do for this assignment. And thank you very much for watching.